Okay, you guys, it's time to get really serious, and we're going to talk about production today. Why? Because production is the thing that will lead to your income, and your income will do what? Lead you into debt freedom and also position you for wealth. So if you're ready to talk about what you're going to produce, jump into this conversation. Let's go.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.
Hi, everyone. It's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. What an honor and privilege it is to be before you all for yet another episode drop here on the Debt Demolisher TV, where today we are going to be talking about producing for revenue, producing for growth, producing to create the wealth that you desire and that you deserve. One of the things that I notice when it comes to us and when it comes to us navigating our life is that we are the creator of the life that we live, meaning we get to decide what we do, what we create, what we choose, what we settle for each and every day. So the question that I have for you was, when was the last time you decided to create something? When was the last time you decided to produce something? When was the last time you said, I'm going to make something for my name's sake and turn it into something that will last longer than me, that could potentially be monetized at the same time? Yes, when we talk about monetization, that means we are producing something, or we are capitalizing on something that we have produced. Are you creating videos? Are you creating books? Are you creating courses? Are you creating templates? Are you creating new products? Are you getting creative with the things that you are gifted in that you can turn into something to produce? You all know that I talk a lot on this channel about the CAP method, which is something that I share inside of my coaching programs. And oftentimes when I'm interviewed on different platforms or different podcasts and things of that nature, I talk about the concept of the CAP method, and the P inside of the CAP method represents produce. So what can you produce? Because we know that there are only two ways that we can grow our wealth and that we can get out of debt, and that is reducing our expenses as well as increasing our income. And how do we increase our income? We increase our income by producing something. So here's what I want you to do as an exercise. Take a piece of paper, take your favorite pen, because as you know, if you're a viewer of this channel, if you are a subscriber of this channel, then you know that you got to have your notepads and your pens ready. So have your pens and your papers out and make sure that you write this down. Identify what you can produce. Are you savvy in Excel? Are you savvy in Word? Do you know how to put together templates and visions and graphics like the drop of a dime? What can you create that you can produce that you can subsequently sell? So let's get creative and begin to make the list of the very thing that we can make. Does that mean you need to start making more videos? Does that mean that you need to teach somebody? Does that mean you need to design a hat? Does this mean you need to design a shirt? Shout out to Family Matters in the building. Shout out to Team Davis. Family Matters description links are in the description box to shop Family Matters. So make sure that you do that. Links are down in the description. When you think about what you can create, think about what you can produce, and think about the value that you're going to bring as a result of someone else leveraging that. So when I think back on all of the videos that I've created thus far on this channel, I cannot believe that we've already surpassed 700 videos on the channel. 700 videos on the channel, and majority of those were recorded and uploaded and released in this particular year, 2022, if you are watching this in the year 2022. So with over 700 videos being on the channel, and with the channel being at a point where it's having more visibility. People are watching, people are tuning into the videos, people are getting into the lessons, people are learning, they're applying the tools, they're seeing transformation inside of our lives. The subscriber count is growing. Thank you so much for subscribing to the Debt Demolisher TV. And if you're watching, if you have not done so, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that way you know every single time that an episode gets dropped. Because we do what? An episode is dropped every single day. And currently, live streams are done 3 times a week. But in the month of August, we're going live every day. The month of August, we're going live every day because we have a book that we're going to be reading. So make sure that you stay tuned for the book announcement that's going to be shared in tonight's live stream. No, yesterday's live stream, and it's going to be announced again in tomorrow's live stream. So here's what I want you guys to really think about when it comes to what you can produce. What are you good at? What can you just naturally create? And what skills have you been sleeping on? If there's something that you've mastered, you better turn it into something that you can produce. If there is something that you are naturally gifted in, you better turn it into something that you can produce. So what are you waiting on? Identify what you can produce and set an intention and a target and a goal to produce something. Produce something and leave it in the comments. What are you going to produce? So that way I can know and I can hold you accountable. Remember, your financial prosperity awaits you, and so does your financial sanity. You already know what I'm going to tell you to do, and that's what? Get to work. All right, bye.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone. The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia